sure if it's you though.
That's the mom.
Oh, that's the mom? Great, I was just gonna ask if I can see the mom. Oh, look at this corgi. Hi, baby. Oh, hi, baby. Hi, baby. Okay, I'm gonna pet you. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Oh, the horse. Look at the horse. Oh my god. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yes, yes, yes. You are the cutest. You are the cutest. Yes. Which one? Wait. Can I see it? Oh, the flower one. Oh, you are adorable. Hi. Hi. Come here. Oh my god. Hello. Kylie, here. Oh my god. She's ignoring me. She's like, no. Aww. Can I see?
There's so many.
Oh, hello. They're all so cute. Oh my god. Oh, I know, baby. I know. Hi. Oh my god. Look at. Oh my god. She's so soft.
Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Does it look like her?
Yes. She has a flower print right here.
I noticed kind of different.
Yeah, you're different.
Her.
Oh my
Her
god.
one ear is starting to stand up, the other is still flat.
Okay. Baby, you're so cute. Oh. I'm gonna give you a treat, okay? Wait for me. Hi, baby. Here. Baby, do you want a treat?
It's a 40 fight.
You don't want this? Okay, she wants to get in. Hello. Hey, baby, come. You don't like this? No? You don't like this? No? Oh my gosh, she's like, no. You don't want this? You don't want this? She smells like she was just like licking me. She wants to get in. Okay. Kisses. She had one ear like it lift up already. 17th of February, right?
Yeah.
You big blossom now.